Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell to notify every time I upload a new video. And guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys. Without further ado, let's get started. So, as you know, the title is I have a Tiffany open with me or unbox with me. There's two items that I want to see in store in person because in online it's so different than in person. And so when I came and checked in that one, one that I checked first is the Love the Elsa Parisi collection. And yeah, I checked the Love and then I try the small, and the large is quite very light. It doesn't look like luxury feeling at all. Sorry, this is my opinion, okay? Because I seen that one in person. So I said like, no, I'm not gonna get it. And also I checked the bean and I don't also like it. And I said, oh, I seen this one. Let me see and check. So I've been eyeing this one as well for so many years, and the last time I get that one is that like a smile, the necklace that I got from Tiffany, and that's it that I purchased. And there's only two items actually, jewelry that I have from Tiffany, and yeah, so this is my receipt. And I love actually that Tiffany changed their shopping, but it's still like Tiffany color. But the inside, it's beautiful, guys. I do love this one so much. And also their bags as well is also changed. I know they have the black one, like the whole black, but this one is, guys, is so cute. As you can see, it's the small items. And I love the packaging of Tiffany rather than the black one because it's more in, see, it's more like Tiffany because the other one I have is all black. And so yeah, I wanted this for so many years when I first time seen a Tiffany. And I first time he said to me that they don't have this one in stock, and so I said, oh no. And then because I saw the silver one and I don't, might as well get the gold rather than the silver. So the one I get is a Tiffany, Return Tiffany. He's so nice because he told me about the story of this one. And yeah, it's very cute. And they didn't give me anything like cleaning cloth or something. So it doesn't matter. This is the one I get. Actually, my hubby told me he doesn't like the writing. Let me see, guys, pointing that to you. See the writing? I love the writing. The writing says, oh my God, Return Tiffany. And then there's I don't know how I can see that, guys. It's hard to see, so now I'm blurred. Okay, now I'm back. So yeah, it's very nice. I did try this one in store. And the silver one is kind of smaller. At first it says like same size on the silver. But when I look on pictures, like the pictures itself, so I'm not gonna put the butterfly, the color butterfly. So this is what it looks like. So it's so cute, guys. Look at that. So this is my love single earring. So I put that one over there. And it's quite really big, but like I said, the silver one, it looks different. And so yeah, and the gold right now is going up to 4,600, and he told me that it's gonna be increased. And so, like I said, I've been eyeing this so many times, and then I said to myself, since they are gonna be increased, then I would rather get this one. And a Valentine's is coming, and they actually So at first he said they don't have one in stock because they showed that to me that they don't have the only one in silver. And then when he looked again, because I said I want to really see what in person, and so he looked again and he said, "Oh, there's one in the back room." I mean, I'm pretty sure he knows that there's one in the background. He just don't want to sell that to me. Maybe this one is been reserved for some reason, and then he says like, "Oh, we can order that online." I said, "No, that's why I'm coming here because I want to purchase in store. I don't want to be order online." You know what I mean? And he said, "Okay, let me check that again." So it just kind of dent, but it's actually perfect size for your ear. It's so cute, to be honest with you. I love it. And I look as well the necklace, the bracelet, because I wearing my bangle. I feels like it doesn't goes with the it's more like a, it's not chain, it's more like a beads all over around it, and it's called a return Tiffany, something like that, but it's not chain. And so when I'm wearing on my wrist and I'm wearing like a bangle, it's sticking up, it doesn't show much at all, so it doesn't goes with the bangles for some reason. But he said it looks nice, but for me it doesn't look nice. Maybe people have a different opinion how they look, how they see. So yeah, so I ending up getting this baby. Okay, I tried to make focus but it won't focus anyway. So this is what it looks like. I put it back over here. And so yeah, it's so cute. It's hard. And I don't have any hard earrings at all. And because everybody's increasing the price, Van Cleef, Cartier, I mean, and also I was planning to get from Cartier as well because I don't get anything from Cartier. So it's like since we, no, not wrong, 2 years ago, 2 years ago that this one, I got this one 2 years ago or last year. No, 2 years ago. So yeah, so yeah, and I just love this one. I love stacking up. So I'm planning to get another, maybe, you know, have a pursing another here so I can move. Actually, my pursing is that's not even. So I was thinking go to the pursing and make, go to this pursing earring to make another, purse over here and make it look nice evenly. So yeah, that's it for my Tiffany and Co unboxings. Last open with me. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.